welcome back to Lifestyle Medicine Global. Today I'm going to talk about whole food plant-based nutrition. What does that mean? What entails this kind of nutrition and what are the benefits of, of this kind of nutrition? So as the name goes, whole food plant-based nutrition, whole means unprocessed or minimally processed, and of course plants, the food is mainly, if not exclusively, from plants. So the difference between whole food plant-based nutrition and something like veganism or vegetarianism is that veganism, these people are not consuming any animal products at all, not even honey. And vegetarianism is a spectrum. You find people that are vegetarian, they're only not eating meat because they're eating everything else, or they're just eating eggs and plant foods, or they're eating fish and plant foods and avoiding eggs and meat. So it's a spectrum. The difference between whole food plant-based nutrition and the vegetarianism or veganism is the emphasis on the whole foods and processed foods. You can be vegan and still eat unhealthy. You're eating all these processed foods, processed like meat imitations and all these other foods. So you don't really want to do that. You want to eat the food as natural as possible. So in the whole food plant-based diet, we are focusing on 4 food groups: your whole grains, which includes oats and brown rice and quinoa, millet, whole corn, things like that. And then legumes, which is your beans, lentils, and peas. And then right there is your nuts and seeds, the different kinds of nuts and seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds. And then there's your vegetables, all the way from your root vegetables, your green leafy vegetables, and then your fruits, the berries, and all the different kinds of fruits. So if you focus on obtaining your nutrients from these foods, you're going to be fine. You're going to get your complex carbohydrates, proteins, good fat, good oils, vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, antioxidants, fiber, and water. You're going to get all these nutrients in these foods. And the whole food plant-based diet really discourages the use of refined oils. You can a little, but you don't want to be using so much oils, frying your foods and cooking your foods in so much oil, because oil has its own issues. Besides being just calories, it's just a tablespoon of oil is 120 calories, but also it can form free radicals when you cook in high temperatures, and it becomes unhealthy, makes your food unhealthy. So you want to adopt other cooking methods like water or broth saute and steaming and boiling and other cooking methods, to keep your food as healthy as possible. So that's what you get. You get your nutrients from your whole foods, and you're staying away from processed sugars and refined oils, and eating food as natural as possible. And this food is going to nourish your body. It is because naturally it's low calorie, low fat, low protein, like it should, but high carbohydrates. Whole food plant-based nutrition is high in carbohydrates, and that's how it should be, because our body is powered by carbohydrates. When we eat it, it gets converted to glucose. Our brain uses glucose, a lot of glucose. 20% of the glucose, of your energy goes to your brain. So you want to really adopt this kind of eating so your body can be powered with the right kind of energy, the glucose. And this diet where you have you are depriving yourself of carbohydrates and forcing your body to use fats is not really good. Of course, consuming all those fats is unhealthy, but also you're not giving your body the preferred source of energy, and your body will not function maximally. So this diet also helps to prevent chronic diseases. I mean, the count is numberless, from diabetes, obesity, hypertension, Alzheimer's disease, mental health disorders and cancer and even acute illnesses. It helps to keep your immune system strong, to prevent and fight colds and flus and all these things. So this is really the way, to nourish the body. That way the body can fight diseases by itself and, have the right weight, keep lean, prevent diseases. And this is enjoyable. I mean, you're going to be enjoying all these foods while getting all these benefits. So go ahead and please do adopt a plant-based diet. Like I said, it doesn't have to be 100% because I understand people are coming from different, areas and they may not be ready, but you want to eat as much plants as possible. 80, 90% to 100, you will see the benefits. You will not know the full benefits unless you're doing it 100%, but you're going to benefit either way, working towards eating more and more and more and more plants. So go ahead and please adopt this kind of eating and see what changes it will bring to your life. And please let me know if you have any questions, comment, subscribe to the channel, like and share this video so it can reach to as many people as possible. And thanks for being here. I will see you on my next video. Bye.